hiwalayan, walang talikuran, walang iwanan, walang halong biro, walang halong pagdududa, at higit sa lahat, walang halong pandaraya sa pagmamahal araw-araw. Maging totoo kayong dalawa tulad ng pagiging totoo ng Diyos sa atin sa pamagitan ng pagmamahal. The unconditional love of God. This is the same with your love as a husband and wife. Magmamahalan kayo ngayon na walang kondisyon sa buhay.
Written in these walls are the stories that I can't explain. I leave my heart open, but it stays right here empty for days.
Jubel, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love in the service of your husband? Free will to bind yourself forever in love in the service of your wife?
Yes, I do.
Are you ready to raise a good Christians, the children whom God will give you?
Yes.
The story of my life, I take her home. I drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life, I give her hope. I spend her love until she's broke inside. The story of my life.
So therefore, Eric and Jubel, you are here to promise to imitate that kind of love, unconditional love. Ito ang paalala ng Diyos sa inyo. Gawin ninyo ang katulad ng pagmamahal ng Diyos.
In the morning now, see us in the light upon the hill. Although I am broken, my heart is unchained still. And I'll be gone, gone tonight. Fire beneath my feet is burning bright. The way that I've been holding on so tight, with nothing in between. The story of my life, I'll take her home. I'll drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life, I give her hope. I spend her love until she's broke inside. The story of my life. And I've been waiting for this time to come around.
The Lord is very happy for you because you are given this gift. Kaya Eric and Jubel, sabi ng Panginoon, pagkaingatan nyo itong regalong ibinibigay sa inyo ngayon. Pagkaingatan nyo ito. Pagkaingatan nyo ito. Amen.
The story of my life, I give her hope. I spend her love until she's broke.